Let's go over some fall marketing examples for cleaning businesses. It's fall, and that means a few things that you need to be paying a lot of attention to. First and foremost, as you've realized, back to school has either happened or it's happening, and moms are busy sending kids to school, and they're busy buying school supplies, and it usually slows down for most cleaning companies. Not all of you, but a lot of you, depending on the service that you do, it will slow down quite a bit. As well, we've got something special coming up in the U.S. in November called a presidential election. And I promise you, in October, business is going to slow down. And that's, about a month away, maybe less than that. Some of them are scared and don't want to spend any money. Some of them just are so worried about what's going on or so interested in the election that that's all they're doing. And a lot of the times they neglect the regular things going on, like hiring a cleaning service. So we need to be aware of that. We need to do extra marketing that we're going to go over here in just a minute. But the other thing that really needs to happen is we're approaching the last quarter of the year. And that means the holidays. For a lot of us, the holidays are our busiest season. And if that's your case, you need to do some things to prep for that as well. So I'm going to show you examples of each one of those things and how you can do that here in just a minute. So before we move on, we're actually logged into my ad coaching club. If you're a member, you have access to this membership site. And we've also got a special thing inside of the coaching club for a free mastermind group that you can join. If you're part of the club, click this link or go to this tab here. And all you got to do is fill out a quick questionnaire, and we will put you in a small mastermind group that meets every other week. And it is going to be consisting of 4 to 12 people, and you can join for free as being part of the coaching club. Now, this is a limited time thing. If you're looking at this next year into 2025, we may or may not be doing it, so it's a limited thing going on right now. Depending on how it goes, we may or may not continue it for several more months. But for at least the rest of this year, for the most part, we'll be doing these group masterminds. So join those. So let's talk about marketing. What are the most likely things to work? Well, Google Ads, we've got an entire course for that right here, are something that I've seen work quite a bit for cleaning companies. One, it's fast. You basically set up a landing page and drive traffic to it, and you can find out right away whether or not that page works. So that's great. That way you're not investing tons of money in an SEO campaign, only to find out later that the landing page doesn't even work. But as well, you don't have to do real optimization other than what's going on inside of the Google Ads, and it happens fast. It gets you the traffic, and I've seen it work better than almost any other type of media for a cleaning company. So we have an entire course for that here as well. If you're interested, if you don't want to do it, I do Google Ad optimization and setup for cleaners on a case-by-case basis. Message me and I can give you a cost on getting that done. But that would be one thing that if you've got at least $500 to invest, I'd probably recommend trying, because there's some great things that can work really, really well with Google Ads. Now, text marketing is another thing that I'd highly recommend, where you send a text message to your past clients. We've actually got some examples here in the coaching club where, let's see, under the categories of text message marketing, where you can just pull out a text message. We got fall marketing ideas here, change it, copy it, and then go over to, this is software that we give you as part of the ad coaching club. You can select all of your clients, click here and paste, change it to your own information, click send. Now all of your clients actually have a text. So that's pretty cool. Now, likewise, you can also send them an email newsletter. So I recommend that you send text messages probably once every 3 or 4 months. You can't send them that often because then you burn your clients out. But emails can be done a couple of times a month, every other week, 2 or 3 times a month, something like that. And we've actually got templates. I'll just pull up a back to school one here. We've got templates already set to where it's already ready to go with your logo and everything already in. All you have to do is look it over, maybe make some changes if you'd like, and then change your name, change the subject line, and click send. And now everybody in your list actually has an email. You didn't have to design it. You didn't have to write it. We've got dozens of them already ready to go inside of this software. And if you use your own software like Constant Contact, we do have examples that you can copy and paste into other email software as well. But obviously the easiest way is if it's already laid out and already ready to go. We give you this software for free as part of the ad coaching club, with the ability to do text marketing, the ability to do email marketing. You can even use it for scheduling and a lot of other stuff too. So that's also something that I highly recommend that you do to get past clients coming back into touch base with not only past clients, but the people that can refer you, like realtors and carpet retailers and commercial properties that you might deal with. Texting them and reminding them and staying in front of them is a super important part of that marketing pie. Now, the other thing that I would highly recommend would be every door direct mail for getting new clients. And that's something that you would do to specific key high-end neighborhoods that you really, really would like to target. So we've got EDDM postcards set already ready to go. This is a really good one. Don't get bogged down with what the offers are, but keep in mind you're sending these only to certain neighborhoods that you really, really want to target. So I would recommend giving them something free that you don't normally give away, not something that gives a discount off of your primary service. And really, without getting into all the specifics, you should be charging high enough prices anyway. And when you're targeting high-end neighborhoods, it can afford you higher prices. But just letting them know that we've been in the neighborhood cleaning and we want to be your cleaner just like we already are the neighborhood cleaner. We've got several other postcards here for fall, for client postcards, with helping them make a great impression with beautiful carpet and floors. And also talk about prepping for the holidays, letting them know that they need to book early. This way you can get your schedule booked up way in advance. We've got other postcards as well here for giving them the reasons why their carpet and rugs get dirty so fast. They read this article and they go, wow, I was wondering why my white or whatever color carpet got super dirty so fast. And it lets them know about why, and it lets them know that you are the solution to keeping it clean. So education is a huge part of past client marketing. Wishes for happy fall, Halloween type postcards with a special offer. In this case, this offer actually cross-sells some of our other service. It gives no discount off of our primary service. And then just other email newsletter templates, client newsletter postcards, that type of thing. We've also got examples of back to school postcards, emails, texts, letters, that type of thing, already ready to go here inside of the Ad Coaching Club. So all of the templates are here ready to go. We do have the mastermind groups to mostly keep you accountable. Secondarily, to fill in any blanks, give you new ideas, fill in blanks for where you're stuck at. Because some of you guys are stuck, right? And some of you guys are needing direction. So that's where a mastermind group can help. And that's why we did that. Only right now, going into the end of this year for the Ad Coaching Club members. Normally, whenever I've done a mastermind in the past, there's been an extra additional fee for joining a mastermind, but for a small amount of time through the end of this year, for the coaching club, we're going to actually allow members to be inside of a mastermind. We're setting those up for you at no extra fee. So if you're interested in any of the templates, any of the mastermind groups, anything that we just talked about, there's a link below this video. Click the link. Look at all the details for signing up to the Ad Coaching Club. If you're part of the coaching club, make sure that you go to this link, fill out the mastermind form, and we'll be in touch with you, let you know when your mastermind group's going to meet. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Be glad to help. I'd love to help you grow your cleaning business.